Find or read reviews that people are talking about at ATOTOEXCEL, A7, 9-inch Android double in-car stereo. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. All-round driving protection. Front or rear dash recording, locked accident clips, live rear view, parking guard, and track HU vehicle tracking help record on the road and while parked, so you have clear proof and more calm when something goes wrong. Note, these features require the ACHN9FR dash cam, not included. Tune sound and clearer calls. A powerful DSP lets you tune sound to your taste. Built-in dual mics improve hands-free calls, and this head unit car stereo built-in amp powers factory speakers while 4-volt pre-outs drive fuller, cleaner sound than typical 2-volt outputs to external amps. High performance, big memory. An octa-core 12nm SoC up to 2.2 GHz and 4 GB RAM help keep multitasking, recording, AI, Navi, streaming, quick and smooth, while 64 GB storage lets you download offline maps and videos to watch comfortably during parking breaks. 3 Internet options, always connected. A 7.9-inch double-in car stereo supports 4G, Wi-Fi hotspot, and USB tethering keep apps online even with wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, while BG Sleep wakes the unit from ignition to home screen in about 2 seconds for a smoother start. DriveChat and Agentic AI. DriveChat answers questions, opens apps and handles offline voice commands so you can keep eyes on the road, and recent OTA updates will add agents, like ones that watch road and cabin conditions and speak up with helpful reminders. Includes rear-view backup camera and OBDII scanner. The ACHD01LR rear-view camera included with this double-in radio offers a clear 720p HD view from the rear and features a wide 140 degrees viewing angle to assist with parking. OBDII scanner. Features include AI-powered OBD code interpretation and fuel status insights, live engine parameter display, and the ability to clear error codes. EdgeFit 9-inch QLED, factory style, low obstruction. 9-inch screen gives more view than 7-inch for maps, media, and rear camera, blocks fewer vents, stays clear in bright sun, and works with an HDMI in/out adapter for game sticks or rear screens for road trip fun. Bluetooth IoT hub and privacy protection. Unlock more in-car fun with Bluetooth IoT that links devices such as ambient lights for mood or an interactive display for vibes and info, and auto lock and unlock help shield your account info when you leave the car. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.